Hey, how's it going, people? Michael here, and thank you for tuning in to Used Gadgets. In this video, I will introduce you to my latest used car while I replace its multimedia interface system control knob. I've only had this car for a few months, so while I'm really excited to give you a review of it, I will wait until at least the spring when I've had more seat time with it. This is a 2014 Audi A6. Also known as the C7, it is the fourth generation of the Audi A6. It comes in different engine configurations, but the one I really wanted to get was this diesel TDI, or turbocharged direct injection. Audi's MMI system uses a control knob that you can twist like a wheel to make selections, and then you can push to confirm your selection. While there are a few knobs in the car, this is the one that gets used the most. While there is nothing functionally wrong with the knob, the decorative paint has started to peel off, and I think this is a common issue with the MMI, unfortunately. The good thing about this is that it is very easy to replace, and the replacement part is not very expensive. You can buy a genuine part directly from Audi, but if you want to save a few bucks, you can find an aftermarket store, which was what I did. I will add a link in the description of this video if you would like to order this part through my affiliate link. The part took about a week to arrive, and it looks almost exactly the same as the original part. Here is a close-up view of it. To remove the old knob, it's just a matter of pulling it straight up like so. Mine came off very easily. Here is a close-up view of the original knob, and as you can see, it's made of plastic like the replacement knob. To attach the new knob, just align the hole with the metal stock and firmly push straight down. Then test the insulation by turning and pressing it down. And that is pretty much it. Quick note, while the old knob is out, it is a good time to clean that area in case you have some dirt and debris stuck in there. Sometimes they impede the clicking action of the knob if you have something stuck underneath it. I had an interesting experience with my A6 last month, which I will make a video about at another time. But it involves a big mistake I made while changing the oil, which almost cost me my car. Watch out for that video in the near future. Anyway, I hope that you liked this short video, and if you did, please hit that like button, or better yet, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.